Hey guys, so today my friends and I are playing some Trouble in Terrorist Town. Now pretty much how this works for people that don't know is we have a deck of cards and each card is assigned to a different character, and there are innocents, detectives, and traitors. And with the amount of people we had, there were 2 traitors, 1 detective, and the rest were innocents. And the job of the detective and the innocents is to look for the traitors and try to figure out who are the traitors. And then the job for the traitors, they are supposed to kill all of the innocents and the detective without getting caught and shot. And in this round, I am the traitor. So.
Okay. Head down. Everyone got their arms out? Yep. Bring your thumbs up. Alright, good? Thumbs down. Good, good. Let's roll. Huh. Are we going? Alright, you guys ready? Hey, Jared, why would Paul go up top? Hey, Alex, why would Paul go up top?
So Paul's come down. Okay, Paul's down.
That's still a little bit iffy on my books.
There's the new guy. Okay, Alex, I have suspicions on the new guy.
New guy? I kind of do too, actually.
He's like, so first...
You think?
No, okay, so Guns put his head up.
Yeah, I know.
His head didn't move at all. And then after that, he just backed away right away. He didn't stay in circle, he just backed out.
We're all getting really close.
We should shoot the new guy.
The new guy? Should we?
I don't trust him.
Let's find him.
He's up there. He's up by the entrance.
What the heck is Jake doing? What is Jake doing?
Make sure keep moving, you can't stop. And we get this over with.
Whoa, Chris, what are you... He just pointed his gun at me.
You're the detective.
Yeah,
Yeah. We have suspicions already, Chris.
Where'd Paul go? Is he over here? Oh. Where's Paul? Paul's right here.
I was actually in there, but the mosquitoes, man.
You want truce?
Yeah, if you're gonna shoot me in the helmet, I'll shoot your man.
Oh. Well, that was really loud last time. Should we hunker down up here?
We could.
Dude, I was gonna say, up there's pretty good.
You know, we could cheat and look at each other's cards.
Do you want to do that?
Alright, now I know you're innocent. Hey, is that a big bang?
Hey, Alex, where'd you go? I think I know who it is. Alex! I think I know who it is. Alex? He's a detective, though.
We have 3 people over here. Chris, you gotta come with us.
I think it's Jake. Where's Jake?
Mm-hmm.
Where's Jake?
He's it there.
It's fine.
In the 2-story.
Where's Jake? 2-story?
I just want to just fake one, then I get
This is
shot.
like a murder, right?
Yeah, let's go.
Right
Good
here.
dude.
Chris, move up. We have 3 people in the first.
Tell me this, where's Paul?
Where is Paul? He's in 2-story? Okay.
Don't get half down.
I know, right?
You don't trust me, you don't talk to me. Let's walk farther away. I just want to stop the wall.
Thanks, Paul. Let's go get him. Hey, he's over here by Blue Barrels. A bang.
I tell you one thing, one round, I am a detective.
I did. Hey, watch Blue Barrels on your right. You see him? Alright, he's gonna be hiding somewhere. This is awesome. Game over! GG, bros!